Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about delete in MySQL. So what is it? So for deleting any details from the table, we have to use the delete form statement. Okay. So by the word you understood what is the meaning of delete. So if you want to delete any details from the table, a delete option will help you to do that. For example, here I have mentioned one code. In that case, delete from customer where address is mountain 21. And after that, you have to mention mydb.commit. So what will happen wherever the mounting.21 is mentioned, where their details will be deleted. So that is what we are going to write it. So here I have mentioned all the details in the my notepad, and after that once I'll run this particular code, it will automatically detail all that row and the red record that where mountain 21 is already mentioned. That is what we are going to work on. So on screen you can see that I have mentioned it and the record deleted. So on screen you can see that where the mountain 21 was mentioned is already deleted in the table. So that is what we are talking about. So delete will help you to detail one detail or two detail at the same time. Okay. So here I am going to mention another detail. So once let me reload this code and it will automatically provide me one record is deleted. Okay. So it will provide you if that detail is existing, that means that detail will be deleted. If the invalid detail you will mention, then the detail will be not deleted because that is not existing in the table. Okay, so that is what deleted in MySQL means. Okay, so that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.